Data entry in YGCBD. In these days of rapidly changing technology, new construction materials will be frequently introduced, and incorporating them into our cost breakdown system is extremely important. In YGCBD, new material data can easily be registered on the data input page or from any of the cost breakdown sheets. In both cases, the record will be automatically linked to the program's material database and will be accessible from other pages. Let us see how to add a new material on the data input page by registering the information for 10 cm HCB. To avoid duplication, we will first check if the material is already available by right-clicking anywhere in the material column, select Find Material, and typing HCB. We can see that only 20 cm and 15 cm HCB are in the record. Thus, we go to the end of the list by right-clicking on any material and selecting Go to Last Line. We start by registering the category and then the material name, the measurement unit, and finally typing the unit cost. The category number 2 will help us sort this item with the other HCBs. However, instead of typing the unit cost directly, we may right-click on the cell and choose Use Calculator. Using this method, we can easily deduct VAT, calculate transport expense per piece, etc. to arrive at the total cost. As an illustration, let us initiate the calculator and enter cost of 10 cm HCB with VAT at factory. Then, we will check the Deduct VAT box. Let us say a small truck will charge as 2,000 birr for 600 pieces, thus we make this calculation directly in the transport cost box. After adding the loading-unloading fee of 20 cents, we hit the Register button to record the unit cost as well as all the assumptions for future reference. At any time later, we can right-click and select Use Calculator to review and edit our considerations in building up the materials cost. Now, whether we type the cost directly or enter details with the calculator, HCB 10 cm will be available for use in any breakdown sheet. Next, we will see how to introduce a new material from the cost breakdown sheets. Let us suppose we are registering work items on the bid organizer page and we want to modify the breakdown details of stone masonry with pointing, so that it includes 20 cm diameter concrete pipe weep holes. First, we need to go back to Unit Price List page. Then we locate stone masonry above natural ground level with pointing, which is a very similar work item, except it does not include weep hole pipes. After that, we open its detailed breakdown page by clicking on its name. Once on the breakdown page, we first edit the name box to reflect the weep holes. Then, we select the last empty cell on the materials column to add our concrete pipe. A dialog box pops up and prompts us to choose a material. We select a possible group to see if our material is available. Since 20 cm diameter concrete pipe is not listed, we click on the Add New Item to the Current Category button and register the material on the project's database. We provide the necessary data and click on the Register Material button. Now the material will be available in our list for selection and use in any breakdown sheet in the project. Thus we locate it on the list, click on Use Material button, and enter how much pipe we are going to need in 1 meter cube of masonry. For our illustration, let us use 1.5 pieces. The unit price calculation is complete. Additional notes on data entry and error handling. As a protection against accidentally deleting costs, which results in dangerous underestimations, zero material costs will be considered as errors by the program. Thus, to avoid the error message, remember to enter a marginal handling cost even if materials are supplied by the client. Notice that blank material costs will be identified by their red cell color. Additionally, affected work items will be shown by red font color and cell comments describing the error. Editing material names. Materials in white-colored cells are locked since they are part of the budget estimating system. If you think it is a must, you can edit existing material names found in green-colored cells. However, this might create naming conflicts in existing breakdown pages and subsequently results underestimation on the tender price. All affected pages will reflect the error with cell comments and red font. You can click on the Check Errors button to see the complete conflict list and make corrections on each page. Thank you for your time.